Well, good morning, folks, and thanks for visiting our website again. We are here at 7110 Bellerive, right off of 59 in Houston, Texas. The zip code is 77036. We're preparing for an auction sale, which is coming up this Saturday, April 10th at 10 a.m. start. Folks, we're going to have a preview on Friday, April 26th, the day before the auction sale, from 9 a.m. to 3 in the afternoon. So let's take a look at what we're selling this coming Saturday. Okay, like I said, this Saturday, April 27th, 10 a.m. start, 7110 Bellerive, Houston, Texas. And for your GPS, the zip code is 77036. We're right off of 59 at the Bel Air exit. Bellerive is the street. Gulf Coast window covering, complete liquidation. Folks, this is a large facility, 80,000 square feet. Used to be a Home Depot many years ago. We're going to take a walk through the inside of the warehouse and the offices to show you what you'll have the opportunity to purchase Saturday, April 27th. Okay, just going to take you room to room and show you what's being offered on Saturday, the 27th. This is obviously their lunchroom, break room. These are all lifetime folding tables and chairs. 3 rounds, looks like 6-foot folding tables plus all the chairs. Now, I've got 3 refrigerators to sell and 2 microwaves. So that pretty much does it for the lunchroom. But good, what everybody wants, the plastic lifetime folding tables and chairs. Once again, guys, this is an 80,000 square foot warehouse. Formerly a Home Depot. It's been a blind manufacturing company for years. Large facility, lots of specialty racks, rolling racks, manufacturing stations, work tables, pallet racking, warehouse racking, cantilever racking. A lot of it is on wheels. Some of the pallet racking will be broken down. Some of it still sits. You'll be responsible for the breakdown. A lot of long extruded material, so a lot of the racking is set up for that, but obviously it's interchangeable parts and pieces. You can set it up how you choose. These are some examples of the mini blind manufacturing stations. Let's go take a look at some tools. Okay, a lot of tools in the sale. Delta radial arm saws with the base. Some of the smaller ones. These are some of the more commercial grade Delta radial saws. 2, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 radial arm saws in this row alone. So a lot of woodworking equipment here. A lot of shop vacs. I'll show you more later. Guys, if you're into woodworking, I don't know, 15 or 20 dust collectors in this sale. All the way down the line. Most of them are on wheels, mobile, the right size, not too big, not too small. Drill presses, some countertops, some floor models, some just the heads that you actually bolt to your workstation. Delta, Ryobi. Look at this station here, double drill press with the lights all set up and ready to go in your shop. Guys, if you need a chop saw, compound miters, DeWalt, Rigid, Milwaukee. Look at that bad boy. This is the second video we've shot. The first one, things were sort of jumbled up and piled in here, so we've had a chance to kind of sort through and spread it out a little bit. So this will give us the opportunity to get a better look at what we've got today. A couple of Singer sewing machines here, a couple of commercial sewing machines here. So they did the blinds and shades, all different types. Nice toolboxes here. Some fans. I want to say there's 5 compressors at least in this sale. Look at this vertical right here. Nice big one. And the sort of skid mount right here. Speed air. Little tank. This is a 10-inch tilting arbor saw, Delta cabinet base. Nice looking deck on it. Good looking saw here, guys. On the Delta. A lot of this equipment is specifically made and designed for the manufacture of mini blinds. For example, that piece right there. Here we have, this is a double miter saw. Piece here. These are running under compressed air. I'm not exactly sure what this machine does, but there's the manufacturer information. You guys in the blind business can figure it out. I believe these are sort of micron filters for getting the particulates out of the air in the shop area. And as I said, large quantity of shop vacs. Looks like mostly rigid, right on down the line. Here's another radial saw, partially disassembled and need a repair. Hadn't seen this piece. Guys, if you're in the blind business, take a look at this stuff, identify it. A couple of grizzly shapers without feed tables. Looks like they've got some very specific components, add-ons on the top. Whether those are clamping or some type of guides, but they're both set up the same. The saw date on this machine is 2009, so these two grizzly shapers are fairly new. Some of the smaller stuff, some grinders, some air guns, electric motors. Going to be a lot of fasteners, nuts and bolts, staples and screws and nails. Nice big inventory scale here. Not really sure what they use that for, but that's a good one. And on these two machines, I want to say these are boring machines. Ritter Manufacturing. Got maintenance records hanging on the side of most of this equipment. Are the maintenance records for those machines specifically. But like I said, looks like a boring machine to me. Another vac. Guys, two rail dovetail machines. I'm sorry, three of these. There's three of the rail dovetail machines. There we go. Got two of these material handling racks. Looks like electric motors, chain drive, two sections, one on this side, one on that side, for handling bolt style material, probably for their blind screens and so on and so forth. Two of those. Let's move into the other part of the warehouse now. Once again, there's some of the long, some of these pieces of equipment for cutting and boring and angling the long extruded aluminum and PVC pieces to make the mini blinds. For example, the Fab Air 2000. There's another compressor still hooked up, and they're still using this today. Obviously a lot of work going on here, guys. Apologize for the background noise, but they're disassembling some of their wooden racks and shelving units that they had, but still using this compressor right now, so it'll be set up for the sale on Saturday. So if you need fab tables, shop tables, a lot of metal-based tables, melamine tops, some are on wheels, assembly stations, nice little size rolling table right there. A lot of the cantilever style racks to hold the long extruded materials. Not going to spend, like I said, not going to spend a whole lot of time on these pieces. You'll just have to come down and see. I mean, here's a wooden rolling rack that they had made, holding a lot of nuts and bolts and parts and pieces. More of the warehouse racking. More of the rolling racks. Another one of the rolling tables. Cantilever racking, pallet racking, lots of it. There are a lot of warehouse rolling ladders in the sale. And again, large quantities of these types of material handling dollies all the way down the aisle. More of this kind of racking. Let's take a look at this machine here. It looks like another piece of equipment for the prepping of the long extruded material for the blinds. And another one here. Some of the nicer workstations right here. Like I said, metal bases, melamine on the top, on wheels, and then, you know, big workstations. Look at there's two of these big bolt style fabric rolling racks. All this warehouse racking, pallet racking, staircases, mezzanines. Another piece of equipment. Some of the office furniture that was scattered throughout the warehouse. We're going to show you some of the nicer office furniture inside. But look at this station. This must be 60 feet long. Looks like 3 machines, end to end. Some sort of headrail machine. Whether it is like a brake that you run flat material through that maybe turns a corner, don't know. But 3 of those. I'm going to run through the offices real quick. This is Hayworth Systems Furniture, the panel style. And there's your PEDs, your work surfaces, your binder bins. There's another 2-section station over here. With all the Hayworth. In this section, in their telephone marketing section, I believe is what this was. These are 6 foot by 6 foot Herman Miller. There are 24 sections. They're in groups of 6 and pods of 6. So there's 6 here, 6 there, 6 over there, and 6 over there. All Herman Miller in the 6 by 6. And another entire section back here. I believe this is the salesman's room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with a reception. So guys, if you're in need of panel systems, there's plenty of it here. Going to have a lot of office supplies going to be sold in probably 1 or 2 large lots. And to sort of finish up, a lot of storage cabinets, a lot of shop desks, a whole lot of filing cabinets that we're sort of moved them out here to get them all together and get them in nice rows. A lot of filing cabinets, back-to-back rows here. And again, some of the old tank style desks, good shop desks. So there it is, guys. 7110 Bellerive, Houston, Texas 77036, Saturday, April 27th, 10 a.m. start. Preview is Friday, April 26th from 9 to 3. Come and see us on Saturday, 10 o'clock start. It is Gulf Coast Window Coverings complete liquidation sale, and we'll see you at the auction.